This is the previous muffler from my Moomba Outback V. In a previous video I actually cut this muffler in half to see what's on the inside. This was filmed obviously before that, and what I'm doing is I'm looking at the muffler, inspecting the damage, and ultimately I decided to do a muffler delete. You can see that there is pretty extensive damage inside the muffler. At some point somebody tried to repair it, and I guess it worked for a while, but certainly this muffler is toast. So my plan is to make a simple muffler delete. I'll be using that 3-inch stainless tubing and basically cutting and welding it into shape to take the place of the muffler. So this will essentially bypass this part of the muffler. And in order to get that, obviously I used a 90-degree bend, but I also had to cheat it, and that's to compensate for the offset. And also, this isn't a perfect 90 degrees. The muffler is actually more around 100 degrees. So basically I just cut it off there and then used MIG to fill in the gap on a bit of a cheat weld. But so it's not the prettiest, but that'll work just fine. What I'm going to do now is I'll run a bead just around the top for the rubber to seal to. Okay, so that's the muffler delete. Everything's installed. It looks good. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And basically it just replaces the muffler. So I kept, this is the factory 90 degree there. That's just a straight one there. And instead of the muffler, it has these bent tubing. I think that should work pretty well. This is the FAE kit, that's fresh air exhaust kit. And there's two potential benefits of this kit. One is it gets the exhaust and potentially carbon monoxide into the water and away from a surfer. And the second is that it should help reduce noise. Since I was doing a muffler delete, I thought both of these things would be beneficial to me. This is a 3-piece kit. I chose a 3-piece because I wanted a shorter lead time. The kit is quite comprehensive. The components actually look all quite good. The instructions were comprehensive and installation was easy. I think it only took an hour, maybe 2. It is firmly held in place with the hoses and all the multiple stainless clamps. And the square tubing at the top there, that is a rigid fixation with the swim board. So I'm quite pleased with how all this works together. The boat is quite quiet, it makes great power, and the exhaust is under the water as intended by the kit. So overall I'm pretty happy. I would recommend this. Thanks for watching.